never gonna get my love. Now because you wear all those fancy clothes, they never be fine girl. Oh yeah, you do now. Do you think I can afford to give you my love? You think you're higher than every stars above. Yeah, Mr. Big Stuff. Who do you think you are? Yeah, Mr. Big Stuff. You're never gonna get my love. Now I know all the girls I've seen you with. I know you broke their hearts, but not another rampant by bit. You made them cry. You made a poor girl cry. When they try to keep you happy, they just try to keep you satisfied. And Mr. Big Stuff, who do you think you are? Mr. Big Stuff, you're never gonna get my love. I never give my love to a blue guy that out of love that's true. Then to be fooled around, get up by you. Cause when I give my love, I want love in return. Now I know this is a lesson, Mr. Big Stuff.